So I don't know if you can see that, but Danny is doing his second lap of the day. He just did a few warm-ups, but this is his second time. Just did a 3 minutes, so let's see if he can beat that. Sorry, I'm recording straight off my helmet here. I thought I'd try and get some behind the scenes of his lap time. He wants to beat a 2:58. That was his best so far on this track. Obviously track is a bit different today. It's got a few more like different features that are not normally there. I mean, it's just normal in the desert. Stuff changes. So let's see how he does. It's now 1:54, 1:56. So he has to beat 2:58. All right, here he comes. Time is 2:35. He needs to be 2:58. So he gives it the beans now. He should do it. 2:43, 2:44. Jeez, that was a 2:52. What do you reckon?
2:58.
2:52. I was a bit late on the stop because I was recording, but it was about 2:52. That's pretty decent. How was it? How did it feel?
Good. There's definitely some places where I can still keep going. I just
Yeah.
keep not.
You could brake a lot later in some spots and just give on early.
Yeah.
But yeah, you could see that was a lot more pace. Even here, like, he gave it good. If you can give it good like that.
On the.
Just on all the straights, just flat out pin, and then just brake late when you need to, you know?
Yeah.
A lot of stuff is more forgiving than you think.
I'll have a rest.
Yeah. I'll crank a few laps and see if I can beat my time. Alright, stick to it.
The old bum throttle. So this jump marks the start of the track. So he's gonna go do a U-ey, and we'll get going.
Kept falling down.
Where are we going?
We're gonna go see the sketchy step down.
Sketchy step down, which I shall not be doing. Every fucking time. Or yeah. With a wheelie. That'll be a, can you send me that video? I want to post a wheelie Wednesday. In the middle of the desert, there's a fiberglass shell of a boat. Should we go fishing?
It's been here for years, by the way.
Is it?
What's happening? People were towing it around behind the car.
Every time we come here, we can never find the exact location, so he just makes a new one. But it looks like he's maybe found it. So because I'm not jumping, apparently I'm the distance meter. Woo-wee! He's getting there. Yeah, you're back.
My back wheel.
Yeah. Like an idiot. Whoa. You got that one. You gave that the brop.
I just fucking thought,
You give it a brop.
if I'm landing there, I'm going to be safe if I over, you know?
And for all the fitness freaks out there, we've been riding for about an hour and a half. 860 calories so far. So by the time we finish, should be over 1,000 calories in the morning, which is not bad before brunch, because I'm gonna eat a lot more than 1,000 calories at brunch. Alright, that does it.